Hey everyone, we are in lesson number 3 today, taking you back down to the days of elementary school, people. The relationship of multiplication and addition. Ah, yes, 3rd grade, where multiplication showed up to the party. No, come on, multiplication's a great thing there, all right? It speeds up our addition. Let's remind you about it there. So, look at this here, all right? Write 2 different expressions that can be depicted by the tape diagram below. All right, so one should be an addition while the other should include a multiplication. All right, so what they're saying here is, hello, come on back. There you are. All right, so we've got a group of 3, another group of 3, another group of 3. So altogether, if we add them up, all right, 3 plus 3 plus 3, hey, 3, 6, 9, there we go. If it's a multiplication, all right, well, we've got a group of 3. And how many groups of 3 do we have? Well, we got 3 of them. So 3 times 3, hey, 9. So we should get the same answer that's here. Because again, we're going to be seeing here is repeat addition is multiplication. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I can do 8 plus 8 to get to my 16. Or, hey, I got 2 groups of 8. So 8 times 2 also gets me to my 16. All right, so let's skip on down here. That's more of the same that we're looking at. And here we go. All right, so let's get away from the pictures here. So here, we want to write an equivalent expression, all right, to demonstrate the relation between multiplication and addition. So if they give me addition, they want me to rewrite it as multiplication. And if they give me multiplication, then I want to rewrite it using multiplication. I lost track of my word. Yeah, I'm sorry. No, that's not an ah statement. I confused you there. They give me addition, write it as multiplication. They give me multiplication, write it as addition. All right, so here we go. So 6 plus 6. Don't tell me it's 12. I know it's 12. But if they gave me an addition, rewrite it multiplying, well, that's the same as 6 times 2. Because again, I got 2 groups of 6. All right, repeat addition is multiplication. So there's a 3. How many do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. 3 times 6 is what we're dealing with here. So, again, repeat addition, multiplication there. 4, well, how many groups of 4 do I have? Well, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sesame Street, people, come on. You know the count? All right. So 4 times, what do we say, 5 of them? Yes, we do. All right. And, ooh, look at letter D here. Now the multiplication is showing up. Now, again, we don't like the X, but they're using it. I think we do want to acknowledge it. That's there. So they gave me multiplication. I can rewrite it as addition. Now, there's 2 ways I can rewrite it as an addition. One could be fast, one could be slow. Let's show you both of them so you can keep this in mind. 6 times 2. Okay. Well, 6 times 2 is the same as 6 plus 6. I got a group of 6. How many of them? 2. Repeat addition is multiplication. Or I could say 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Yes, I got 6 groups of them. But again, I think that's that. So it doesn't matter. Either way is good. One's just a little bit faster than the other. So 4 times 6. Rewrite that as an addition problem. Okay, so that would be saying take 6 and I could add it together 4 times. Or I could take the 4, but I would have to repeat it. Oops, I had 6 in my mind as I was writing that out there. I'd have to write it out the 6 times that's there. So, 4, and another 4, another 4, another 4. So again, there's definitely ways of speeding it up. The one we're interested in here is down in letter G, and that's with our H. In this case, there's only one way that I can write it out. All right, they gave me an addition. I need a multiplication. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 5H, okay? Because I'm taking H and I'm doing it 5 times. I don't know what H is. Now, notice also we rewrote it. The number came first and the letter came second. That's something to remember we got to keep in mind. 6Y. So that's repeating Y 6 times. And again, because it's multiplication, that's how we know it's an addition problem that we're looking at. All right? So that's what we are dealing with there. That's more of the same. Repeats. All right? Let's get on into lesson number 5, where we have our exponents. Now, our exponents are our repeat multiplication. So, if we've got 5 times 5 times 5 times 5, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. So that's 5 to the 5th power. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Well, that's 2 to the 4th power we're looking at. Remember, it's just your repeat multiplication. The other way around, what is 8 to the 3rd power? Well, that would be 8 times 8 times 8. So what we're getting at here is to our letters, what's g to the 3rd power? Well, repeat multiplication, g times g times g. All right. Here's the big ticket item that we are after. All right. We have 3g and g to the 3rd power. All right. So what we want to watch for here is this is multiplication. All right. Which means it's repeat addition. G plus g plus g. I think I put a g in front of the word addition that's there. Anyway. Whereas g to the 3rd power, that's repeat multiplication. G times g times g. Completely different here, doing your addition rather than your multiplication that's there. All right? So that's the main thing we want to watch for. Repeat addition, multiplication. Exponents, repeat multiplication. All right, people, we're out of here. We'll see you later.